The LIT Matte Eyeliner Pencil come in 8 different shades. They come in 5 matte tones and 3 metallics. The colors range from teals to blues to deep purple. You also have Mood, which is a beige eyeliner, which you can use inside the waterline to open and brighten up your eye. On Fleek would be my favorite. It's a golden eyeliner and it adds a little element of shine to your eye. These eyeliners have a great color payoff. They are water resistant and they're made out of vegetable wax. So the best way to use the matte eyeliner pencil is that you stretch your eyelid and you create a line from the inner corner to the outer corner and create a perfect winged liner. I really like the metallic ones because you can create different kinds of colored smoky eyes with them.